Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chromium and my melody drawings. First, let's begin with Chromium. Start by lightly sketching a large oval for the head, ensuring it's centered on your paper. Next, add two smaller almond-shaped ovals for the eyes, placing them about 1/3 of the way down from the top of the head. Finally, draw a gentle, upward curving line for the mouth, positioned just below the eyes. Now, let's refine Chromium's features. Extend two distinct, pointed ears from the top of the head, making them about 1/4 the height of the head itself. Inside each eye, draw a small, dark circle for the pupil, ensuring they are aligned. For a three-dimensional effect, apply light cross-hatching on the left side of the head and ears, creating a soft shadow. Moving on to my melody, we'll start with her adorable head. Sketch a large, almost perfectly circular oval for the head, making it slightly wider than it is tall. Next, draw two long, drooping ears that extend downwards from the top of the head, reaching about 2/3 of the way down the head's length. Finally, place a tiny, simple oval for her nose right in the middle of her face. To complete my melody's face, draw two small, perfectly round eyes, placing them about 1/3 of the way down from the top of her head and equidistant from the nose. Below the nose, add a sweet, gentle upward curve for her smile. Don't forget her iconic accessory, a charming bow, which should be drawn on one of her floppy ears, adding a touch of cuteness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.